Grand Esprit. To make a Grand Esprit, first I need to fill my glass with ice. I'm going to half fill with soda water. This way, when I pour my 1 measure of Grand Marnier in, Grand Marnier is heavier, I'll start to do the mixing for me. Then half a measure of elderflower cordial. Now I'm going to put my garnish in as well. Some summery drink, so we have half an orange wheel. And put some berries in there. I've got some strawberries here, so some halves of strawberry. And a little stir. See if we can spread that fruit throughout the drink. Top up with soda, and that's how you make a Grand Esprit.